This is a wide crown stapler, commonly referred to as a walking stick stapler, used for stapling usually large boxes onto skids. I'll just go over the operation of overloading. This uses a 1-inch wide staple. It'll take 5/8 up to 1.5 inches in length. And to load it, just put the slide back. Put 2 strips of staples in. It's loaded and ready to go. Put air to it. So basically we have a 1-inch wide crown stapler here with a 24-inch handle for reaching down into boxes. You might use that for just putting a slip sheet down on a skid. Or more commonly, it's going to be used to put a large box like a gaylord, where you need to fasten that onto a pallet. So this allows me to get the stapler down into the box without reaching down in.